Hello guys, today we will see the problem min sum formed by digits. So the question is, given an array of digits, find the minimum possible sum of two number formed from a digit of an array. All digits of the given array must be used to form the two numbers. Any combination of digits may be used to form the two numbers to be summed. Leading zeros are permitted. If forming two numbers is impossible, that is when n equal to 0, then sum is the value of only number that can be formed. So the question states that we will be given an array which contains a number from 0 to 9, where we have to create a two number. From this array, a combinations of numbers can be possible, and the sum of two numbers that we get from an array should be minimum. So the logic behind is that we have to pick two numbers from the sorted array. So the first number, let the two number be n1 and n2. So let's we have the number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. So the sorted number will be 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 8. So we have to pick the two number 2 and 3. So the two will be placed in the number 1 and 3 will be placed in the number 2. Next, 4 and 5 will be taken. 4 will be placed in number 1, 5 will be placed in number 2. Next, last two number will be taken. 6 will be placed in number 1 and 8 will be placed in number 2. So, we have to sum this up. We will get 604. So, which will be the minimum sum that we can get from this array of numbers from 0 to 1. So let's directly see into the code. I will explain the part of code. This piece of code does the sorting part, which does the ascending order, sorts the array in ascending order. We will be having two strings to get store the number. What we are doing is like we are picking two numbers from that array and appending to the two strings that we created, sb1 and sb2, and after that we are passing it as an integer or a long type, and we are returning the sum of the number. So let's try to run this. Okay, we will submit it. So guys, if you have any doubt, just put in the comment. I will reply to it, and stay tuned. Bye.